Welcome back to another Magnolia Drones Florida video where we are doing a Middleton, Florida construction update with footage from November 19th, 2023. In this video we are going to highlight the updates in Phase 1 and Phase 2, celebrating the Bexley Trail bridge opening, and highlighting becoming a community with the multiple block parties that happened over the weekend. As we start our Phase 1 construction update, we wanted to remind you that you can always contact Magnolia Drones Florida for all of your video needs by texting 352-609-9911 or by sending an email to magnoliadronesfl@gmail.com. We're looking forward to hearing from you. As we start our Phase 2 construction update, we did want to remind everyone that Dry Creek Park has officially been opened by the developer. We've been having a wonderful time over there, getting to meet a lot of the neighbors. It is wonderful to hear that you guys are really enjoying these videos. We feel like local celebrities every time we walk out into the neighborhood. It's been great getting to know all of you folks, and thank you for all of your support. As we fly over Dry Creek Park, we once again wanted to remind everyone that the developer did have a grand opening for this park earlier in the week. You can use these amenities, just make sure to bring your Middleton amenities card with you. Flying down this road, we'll finish our Middleton construction update. We are now going to shift our focus over to the Bexley Trail multimodal bridge that opened to the public over the weekend. On Saturday, one of our local residents organized this golf cart caravan that met at Lake Harlow Park. We went as a group over that Bexley Trail bridge over to Sawgrass Market. I personally had a pepperoni pizza before turning around and exploring on the way home. Over the last few months, it's been so beautiful watching our neighborhood turn into our community. We wanted to say thank you to P. Will of Preferred Sound Productions for hosting this wonderful block party that happened over the weekend. Please contact P. Will at 352-933-2422 for all of your sound production needs. And if you still had some energy left over, you could have stopped at Lake Harlow Park to say hi to this other party going on in the pavilion and park areas alike. If you have been watching our videos for a while now, you will know that I am a lover of the wildlife here in Middleton. I've been eager to get footage of some of the gators here in the community, and over the weekend I was fortunate enough to run into this gator who decided to stop and be a model for us. A little bonus extra content for you folks this week. On a more serious note, we did want to say thank you all for stopping by and watching this week. All of the likes, comments, and subscriptions do go a long way, and it's been wonderful getting to meet you all in person. We're looking forward to the next video, and we hope you all are as well.